Welcome to the 200 interview topics series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe the happiest moment in your life. You should say, what happened? How did it change your life?
The happiest moment in my life was when I got accepted into my dream university. I had been working hard for years to achieve this goal, and it finally came true. I remember the day I received the acceptance letter in the mail. I was sitting at the kitchen table, surrounded by my family, and as I opened the letter, my heart was racing. When I read the words, "Congratulations, you have been accepted," tears of joy streamed down my face. It was an overwhelming moment of happiness that I will never forget. Getting accepted into my dream university changed my life in many ways. It gave me the opportunity to pursue my passion and study the subject that I love. It also opened up a world of possibilities and opportunities that I had never thought possible. I met new friends, gained new skills, and had experiences that I will treasure forever. More than that, it was a moment of validation that all my hard work and dedication had paid off. It taught me that if I set my mind to something and work hard for it, I can achieve anything I want. In conclusion, getting accepted into my dream university was the happiest moment of my life. It changed my life in many positive ways, and it taught me the valuable lesson that hard work and determination can pay off in big ways. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.